We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 17. Elsa and a group of her friends always sit together at lunch. The type of relationship that exists between the number of students joining and the total number of students at the table is Option A, an additive relationship, because the pattern is to add 5 to the number of students joining in order to get the total number of students at the table. So A is the correct answer. Question number 18. The figure shows the base layer of a rectangular prism that Sophie built using blocks. The prism was made by stacking 10 layers of the blocks. Each layer was identical to the base layer. Each block has a volume of 1 cubic unit. The length of the block is 15 blocks. And the width of the block is 2. The base of the rectangular prism is 15 times 2 equals 30. There are 10 layers of the blocks. Hence, 10 times 30 equals 300 blocks. So J is the correct answer. Question number 19. The table shows the times that it took 5 students to complete a set of math problems. If the times are ordered from least to greatest number of minutes, in what position would Nellie's time be? Rosa completed the math problems first, with Jessica finishing second. Mario third, Nellie fourth, and Chris in 5th place. So Nellie's time would be 4th, so C is the correct answer. Question number 20. Which answer choice best describes the x-coordinate in an ordered pair? Option F. The horizontal line composed of the set of points that all have a y-coordinate of 0. Option F is not correct. Option G. The first number in an ordered pair that determines the movement left or right from the origin on a coordinate grid. That's the correct answer. Though we found the answer, we should continue to go over all other options to make sure we selected the correct answer. Option H. The second number in an ordered pair that determines the movement up or down from the origin on a coordinate grid, which is not correct. Option J is also not correct.